PurplePaisley Planner. And I was on Etsy and I just happened to see this gratitude journal. And I said to myself, oh my goodness, that is really nice. I need that. So when I saw it, I went ahead and made the purchase. I just loved how everything was packaged. I love how they put so much into everything. Look at this. See the wax that says thank you? And I just thought that was really nice. If this is something you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. Okay, so I got this package the other day, and I just love how this person packaged it. So when they left a note, and I'm going to show you here, it says right here, note to self, make peace with your past. And then it has here, thank you so much for supporting my small business. I hope this planner will help you with your gratitude. And it says, and it has happy face and hearts and mo. Isn't that cute? I thought that was real nice. So I got that. And then I said, oh my gosh, this is so well packaged. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I really don't want to tear this up because that is just so well. So I'm going to see if I can just slide it out. Oh, it's hard to slide it out without tearing it a little. There it is. Whoa. There it is. Oh my God, it's still looking nice. And they even put a little savings tracker on here. That's really nice. Okay. So look, it says guided journaling, 90-day guided gratitude and manifesting. So I like that, see. And look at this. It has I'm gonna flip it. It says congratulations. You took the first step in manifesting, and I just like how this is. And you could use a dry erase marker right here on this, and you could date it. And then look at this. Good morning, and it has today's goals, morning affirmations, morning gratitude. And then here it says good night. And it just does that every day. And when I saw this, I just thought this was really cute. You have a date for every day that you're doing your good morning. Because, you know, it's a blessing to wake up every morning. And I just like that. And every day is like that. It's 90 days. And then at the end, it says, congratulations for completing your manifesting and gratitude journal. Let's reflect over the 90 days. You know what? It's just really nice. I am manifesting the life of my dreams. I am attracting everything that is meant for me with my positivity, my confidence, and my spirit. I am in line with my purpose. Today's goals, morning affirmations, morning gratitude, today's accomplishments, today's triggers, nightly gratitude, things I could have done better. And then today, I have manifested greatness into my life. Every day I become more abundant in health and wealth and success. I give and receive effortlessly. I am grateful for all that life is. And then it says good night. So that's your one day your one-day gratitude. And then it just goes on. You can use from front to back. When I just saw this, I thought, it's simple. This is something I like. Really nice. And you could fix it up with some stickers. Just fix it up how you like it. This is just, it's just really, it cuts to the chase. It's just really simple. Today is going to be great because I'm really liking this. So I just wanted to share this. It's 90 days. You can start at any time. And you know, sometimes you might not do every day. You might do every other day. It's just how you want to set it up. Yeah. Yeah, this is made out how you want to do it. So I really like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click that notification bell so when I go live or when I upload a video, you'll get notification of that. Everyone stay positive and stay blessed. And goodbye.